Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the channel where I show you how to go from zero, nothing, to at least $1,000 or $2 or $3 or $4 or $5 or $10,000 per month by publishing books on Amazon KDP. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can save at least $20 per month by simply cancelling your book report subscription. That's assuming you have one at least, possibly because the royalties estimator has recently undergone some aesthetic changes, some user experience changes, and in general it is just much more pleasant to use these days. And now, and most importantly now, when you click on one of these bars, obviously I can't do it because it's going to show you what my titles of my books are. It actually lists all the books every single day, instead of sometimes where you would used to say other books and you actually didn't know what other books had sold on which particular day. Now it gives you all the information you need to analyze where your sales are coming from in order that you know what to be publishing in the future and you know which books you want to be advertising. So possibly you will miss the nice pie charts that you do get with book report, but if you can live without those for a little bit and you can save yourself a little bit of money each month, you can reinvest that money into books, into investments, into the stock market, into real estate, whatever you want to reinvest it in, and possibly just use the royalties estimator instead. So this was a super quick video just to let you know that the royalties estimator on KDP itself, which is probably more accurate and more up to date, this is actually much easier to use, and you can actually go back on the dates now and choose a custom date as far back as you want. Select any time range that you want, and it is in general just much better to use. So I hope that was a helpful video, and I'll see you in the next one.